Preparing a subfloor for large format tile over Gypcrete starts with making the substrate stable, clean, and moisture managed. Gypcrete is a cementitious gypsum underlayment that can be soft and moisture sensitive, so first confirm its compressive strength and drying time by checking manufacturer documentation and allowing at least 7 days per ½ inch of thickness for cure under normal conditions. Remove all trim, appliances, and loose debris so you can work to the edges and ensure a continuous plane. Vacuum thoroughly and wipe with a damp mop to remove gypsum dust which interferes with bond. Test moisture with a calcium chloride test or a relative humidity test and compare to the thinset or membrane manufacturer recommendation because gypsum will absorb and release moisture differently than Portland cement. If moisture is above the limit, delay work and use a proper vapor control strategy, such as a bonded waterproofing membrane designed for gypsum underlayments, applied after profiling the surface. Mechanically profile the surface by scarifying lightly or installing a mechanical anchoring layer like galvanized expanded metal lath fastened into the structural deck through the Gypcrete at recommended fastener spacing so the mortar can key. Do not rely solely on primers or liquid adhesives for mechanical bond on soft Gypcrete. Level with a cementitious feather finish or a polymer modified mortar applied to the metal lath to create a solid, uniform plane with a maximum variation of 1/8 inch over 10 feet, and use large format tile adhesive techniques such as back buttering and using a proper trowel notch to ensure full coverage. Common mistakes include installing directly over dusty or unprofiled Gypcrete, which causes poor adhesion. The fix is to clean, profile, and use mechanical lath or a manufacturer-approved primer and membrane. Another issue is ignoring moisture testing and installing without a waterproof membrane, which can lead to bond failure and gypsum deterioration. Always test moisture and install a compatible waterproofing membrane when readings are high or manufacturer guidance requires it. A third problem is inadequate mortar coverage under large format tile leading to lippage and cracking. The solution is to back butter large tiles, use a trowel notch size appropriate to the tile thickness, and perform spot checks by lifting random tiles after bedded to verify full contact. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who can prepare subfloors and install large format tile, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with project leads. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from each other about best practices for jobs like subfloor prep over Gypcrete.